and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Well, we have 3 films this week. Vikram Vedha, the remake of the Tamil film. Then there is a film which generated unnecessary controversy, which is Don't Worry Darling. And we will also take a look at Mani Ratnam's latest offering, Ponniyin Selvam. First on the show, let's take a look at Vikram Vedha. A scene-to-scene remake of the 2017 Tamil hit Vikram Vedha is also directed by the duo of Gayatri and Pushkar, who made the original film. You would expect some differences from the original film, if nothing else, at least the trimming of some flab, but unfortunately, no such luck. The good, the bad and the ugly, whatever happened in the Madhavan Vijay Sethupathi face-off happens here as well. But how does this film fare if you don't know anything about the original? From that angle, it works as a thriller, giving different perspectives on what or who is good and evil. Using the good old Vikram Vedha stories as a foundation, the film is set in Lucknow in the present day. And there is an encounter specialist cop, Vikram, played by Saif Ali Khan, who adds to the 18th kill to his tally. The cops though are hunting for Vedha, which is played by Hrithik Roshan, a gangster in the most wanted category. Vikram and Vedha's paths cross every now and then, and the latter always tells a story that results in a flashbacks. It unveils the plot that involves double crossing and much more. The larger point though is about appearances and deceit, which is made fairly effortlessly. There are plenty of subplots which on the positive side help to build the intrigue, but on the other, it is explored at an artificial level. Radhika Apte plays Priya, who happens to be Vikram's wife and also Vedha's lawyer. Now you talk about conflict of interest. No wonder the two keep bickering most of the time because both are firm about what they want to do. Then there is Vedha's brother, whose name is Shatak, played by Rohit Saraf, who plays an important role in the scheme of things along with his girlfriend. Now the girlfriend changes her mind with a blink of an eye. That episode was very weak in the original film and there is no improvement here. But if you leave aside those blemishes, there is a lot going on for this film. The novelties include a Tarantino-esque fight scene with Kisi Ki Muskarahaton Pe Wo Nisar, the famous song from Anadi, playing on the soundtrack. Even the climax is executed with a certain panache. Inspired by the folk tales of Betal Pachisi, in which Vikramaditya tries to hunt down a demon who often manages to escape the clutches of the king by befuddling him with questions that involve morality or wisdom. The setting and lingo of Uttar Pradesh also works well in favor of the film, although the film was shot on a set built in the UAE. What doesn't work though is the length, which is unnecessarily longer than the original film by about 20 odd minutes. The cast deserves a lot of credit. Apart from the supporting cast, Saif Ali Khan as the cop, whose ideology transforms from conviction to doubt, is first rate. Hrithik Roshan has to fill the rather big shoes of Vijay Sethupathi, and to his credit, he does it with swag. All said and seen, Vikram Vedha turns out to be a pretty decent remake, and I'm going to go with 3 out of 5 stars for this Tamil remake.